Hi there, this is Chinkitan, also known as Mr. Chink Positive. For tonight, I would like to share with you a topic that can really touch your heart at the same time inform you that God answer all our prayers. Kung talagang totoo ang statement na yan, Chinky, bakit ang tagal-tagal ko nagpe-pray pero hanggang ngayon wala pa rin nangyayari? Let me ask you this, okay? Kapag ba nag-request ka ng bagong laruan or let's say ng gadget, yung anak, like for example, si Junior, nag-yes ka ba agad? Kapag nagre-request ba ng new car ang iyong mister o yung misis, nag-yes ka ba agad? Kapag nagre-request din yung office mate mo na gumawa ka ng extra work para sa kanya at para mag-overtime ka, nag-yes ka ba agad? We have to remember that yes is not the only answer. There's another answer that may come from God, gaya ng sinasagot sa atin, mga hilihing ng anak natin, asawa natin, kaibigan, katrabaho. Hindi lang parati yes. God, yes, do answer all our prayers, but it may not be what you are expecting to get. What do I mean? God can tell you, yes, but not now. Diba? Pwedeng, oo, pero hindi muna ngayon. Pinagpe-pray natin na dumating na po yung promotion natin, yung malaking kontrata, yung pwede natin kitain. Pero until now, wala pa rin talaga nangyayari. Nainis na tayo, naiinit na tayo, di ba? Feeling mo talaga parang wala na siyang mangyayari. You know what? Kung bakit hindi sinasagot ni Lord, honestly, because one thing I realize when I pray for something and God does not answer, it means say that I am not yet ready. Hindi pa ako handa. Maybe He still want to teach me a lesson or to be more patient. No? Ganon din sa iyo. Kung ikaw ay nagrereklamo na, but God is teaching you to be more patient. Minsan sa sobrang nainip na tayo, nagmamadali tayo, na gusto natin makuha isang bagay, yung parang tingin natin gagawa na natin lahat ng paraan para makuha lang natin. Maari, hindi pa yung tamang timing May inaayos pa si Lord sa ating buhay, kaya talaga ang tagal-tagal pa, pero hindi pa tayo nga biniyayaan. Ipinagkait sa atin ito ng Lord para sa kabutihan natin. Actually, hindi para sirain ang buhay natin. And honestly, if you're in this type of situation, God is just telling you to what? Wait for some more. Diba? Wait pa more. Diba? That's the first answer. No, but wait. But second, no, it will not be good for you and for me. Hindi itong pwedeng, ito ay hindi maganda ang kabutihan na pwedeng ibigay sa atin. Ipinagdarasal natin na malaki ng ating kita, kaya naisipan mo mag-expand ng iyong business, but this will require you to invest more time, at the same time more money in your business. So in other words, may payoff yan mababawasan yung quality time mo sa iyong pamilya, at paminsan-minsan kailangan mo pang magbiyahe ng iba pang bansa. Pero kung alam mo naman na ang mas importante sa misis mo at sa anak mo yung quality time kesa sa higher income, kaya kahit napilit anong diskarte na ginagawa mo, hindi pa rin siya matuloy-tuloy, hindi pa rin siya ma-push through. Dahil alam ni God na this will truly benefit us for delaying the prayer, delaying the answer of the prayer. At this point, He will say no to you because kailangan pa may ginagawa pa sa buhay mo. At the same time, pag He said yes, makakasama to in the long run. And finally, another answer that God can give, aside from yes, but wait, yes, it will harm us. The third answer can possibly be what? Yes. Meron din talagang tipong in the middle of the prayer, sasalubungin ka na napakalinaw na yes. And when God answer, ito na nga, paano malaman na yes talaga? I do believe when God answer, He adds no trouble to it. Hindi siya nagdadagdag ng problema. Hindi na siya nagdadagdag ng stress. Yung pag binigay niya talaga, talagang may flow Alam mo talagang walang pumipigil. That's the reason why I want to encourage you. I want really to encourage you. God is never too early. God is never too late. Ang bawat answer niya ay yes. Parati siyang perfect timing. Ang tanong lang is it according to your timeline or is it according to our timeline? So, I just want to encourage you and ask you, ano bang pinagpipray mo sa araw na ito? Diba? Ano yung sagot sa iyo ni Lord? Is it yes, not now? Or is it yes, never, because it will harm you? Or is it yes, because it is your time? So, kung naunawaan mo to, I just like to share with you na talagang seek God's heart in your situation. Huwag kang magmamadali. No, tanungin mo si Lord, ano ba talagang tunay na sagot? And then, pag sinabi ni Lord, yes but wait some more. Pag sinabing yes but no, huwag mo nang pursue. Hanapin mo na talagang gusto ni Lord sa iyo. At the same time, you wait for the right time. I hope that this short video blog is able to encourage you and enlighten you, especially in your moment of prayer. And I hope na also, if you like this video, please share it with some other people who you know can benefit from this. And please follow me in my YouTube account, and also watch my other videos, and also do follow me at my other social media accounts. My Facebook account, Chinkitan, Instagram, Chinkitan, and my Viber account, go to public chat, go to Chinkitan. In my program, I always say to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always think positive.